Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you something you can do with Dollar Tree mesh and clothesline rope. You'd be amazed at how easy this stuff sews together. You just put the rope inside the mesh and it actually makes the basket really strong. Really, it doesn't bend at all. So come along and let me show you how I put this together. And then you just want to grab your safety pin and your rope. I found that using a medium-sized safety pin instead of a large or a super small works best. And you just want to pin it in there. I do about halfway in. And then this works just so good. Once you put it in that mesh, it goes together so easy. You're going to love how easy this is. Just think of the possibilities. You could do school colors. You could do so many different things. And if you have a hard time finding the mesh, you can buy it online. And then I just put it inside just like this and just work your way. You could do this while you're watching TV. It comes together really pretty quick and it is so fun. There are so many options with this. You could do one color, you could do several. And then when you get to the end, you just want to take a little piece of plastic tape, put it on the end and cut it. It leaves it so nice, keeps the rope from fraying. And then I like to put my machine on zigzag stitch. I always make it the longest length and the widest that I can go because that way you got a better chance to catch both ropes. And for this basket, I started with 2.5 inches in length. Getting it started is a little tricky. You just want to keep going back and forth until you finally get it into a row, the very beginning row, and then just continue on. If you're enjoying this video, I hope you hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And then once you get it started, it's very simple after that. Just keep going, make any size you want. Once in a while you will miss the other rope, so you just want to go back and hit it. That's what's so nice about this. It doesn't matter. You can always fix it. Another thing you can do too, if you can look in the middle there, there's quite a bit of white from when I started it. Just take a pink marker and you'll never know that happened. Once it reached 9.5 inches in length, I decided to start my basket. And then I decided to do another color, so I'm going to take a little piece of Scotch tape, put on this rope, and then I'm going to cut almost all of it off. I'm going to leave just a little bit of it there, and that'll make it perfect for the next color to be added. It's really easy to add a new color. I'm just going to put it right up there. I'm going to use my seam ripper to help me get it in there good. First I want to sew the original basket down, and now I want to get the new one in there. And it just goes together so fast. Just like that, I've hooked it on, and now I'm ready. Just like that, I'm ready to begin. As you go along, you're going to want to kind of look at it, make sure you haven't missed any spots. The taller you get the basket, the harder it is to fix anything. So just check it out real good before you get it too big. And for the fun of it, I just want to add another color in. And then just like last time, I'm going to use my seam ripper to get right in there and hook it on. Don't be afraid of this part. It really comes together easy. And when I end this basket, I just wanted to make sure I left enough there to figure out how I wanted to finish it. Every time is a little bit different. This is one of my favorite ways to end a basket. It's so easy and I really like the look of it. This was such a fun basket to make. Just think you can make any size you want with any color you want. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And at the end of this video, I will put up a couple of my other videos if you'd like to watch.